Previously, on Roses and Daggers.
I called you so many times and your phone was off. I called Patrick, it was ringing. Then later on I call back, then it goes off. Do you know how worried I was about you?
Look, I can only imagine. I'm sorry.
Now that you are free to pursue anything you want, what's the plan? What do you want to do?
Dada, I don't want to stay here. There is nothing here.
She also had some good fabrics. I think you should select one for your mom. We know she has absolutely no fashion sense, and she needs to look her best that day.
Look, I can't keep doing double work just to cover for you here, knowing you don't even care if you fail or pass.
Mike, of course I care.
Then act like it.
I've been very sick about you. I never stopped praying.
Thank you so much, Winifred. God answered our prayers.
Indeed he did. And I thank him so much. So, what are they saying? Do you know when you're going home?
I've been waiting.
Waiting on what?
Waiting to hear that for myself. What did the doctor say? I've already packed my bag, so... Listen, I don't want to stay here. I promised to be in bed all the time. I'm really tired of the hospital.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Well, you're going home.
Thank you. Shall we?
It's been a long day. Ah.
What happened to my car?
Yeah. I left it with my mechanic, so I'll get it back to you later, okay?
Oh, thank you.
I need to get back to work. Take care and I'll see you later.
Alright, I will. Thank you.
Bye. So I'll talk to you, yeah? Bye, guys.
When are you leaving?
Tomorrow.
Is there something you're not telling me? Babe?
It's nothing. I'll be gone in the morning. My mom will take care of you.
I feel Mom has done enough. Winnie will be fine.
Why, Winnie?
Nothing. I just think we've troubled Mom enough. She didn't come here to babysit me.
But Winnie was.
As a matter of fact, yes. What is your problem?
My problem is you acting like my mother being here is a nuisance to you, when all she could do was to help you in my absence. What is it that your friend is doing that my mom cannot do?
I never said Mom was a nuisance. She's been a blessing since she came here. We both know Mom has a business, and she needs to go back. Why are we even having this argument?
We're having this unnecessary argument because you are complaining when the person involved isn't.
Are you listening to yourself? I've never cared at all with Mom being here. This isn't about Mom, and you know it. What is taking you off like this? Where are you going?
I'm going to get your medication.
But we are not done talking.
I am.
Hello, Michael. She is gone. Gone. Discharged. Michael, I told you I needed to come early. Are you asking me? It's all your fault.
Yeah, but the change order now is going to cost us a massive overrun which is not budgeted for. And I just don't want it. Yes, I agree, but the design seemed defective. But we didn't include that in the contract. I mean, in case there's gonna be any change in the order. Just because you were so sure about the project design. It's not just about that. We're working according to timelines. Okay, and we're expecting a material shipment in less than 3 months. Look, I cannot order from manpower from the site until then. Wayne, just send me the details. Just make sure that all stakeholders are present in the meeting. You can't afford any lapse this time. You're welcome.
Sissy,
Yes.
I want to make a call.
Okay. The number.
How much is a minute?
20 pesos, please.
Yes?
Should I call back later?
Sissy?
I thought it was okay to call you.
Of course. I just don't know what to say.
You can just ask me about my leg.
How's your leg?
It's okay. It's healing. Should I call you later?
No.
Thank you.
Who took this?
Let me see.
Now, who is that guy who posted the picture? How did he get to know of your hospital room? How did he even get to know you were there?
I don't know.
You don't even seem surprised to see it.
I just saw it some seconds ago.
And?
And I'm still trying to wrap my head around it. The only thing that makes sense right now is mistaking identity. I'm sure he got the wrong patient.
And he tagged the wrong patient too. Does it make sense?
Hello? Hello? Babe.
Yes.
I need to ask you something.
Would you like to sit down?
I need to know something. What has been Anita's agenda lately?
I don't understand.
What have you guys been up to? Who do you go out with? Where have you guys been going?
Nowhere. She's in the house most of the time. Except when she needs to go to town to meet with Valerie or to get a few things.
I see. How about the house? Any visitors? Winifred.
Listen, whatever this is, you should go talk to your wife.
I'm talking to you.
I don't know anything, no.
What did you tell him?
Nothing that concerns you.
Hey, now you have the confidence to talk back at me, right?
I am tired of your constant attacks. Do your worst.
I'll not be surprised if you are the one behind this.
Woman, leave my room, please.
Leave your room. Which part of this building did you build?
You know what? I have had it with you. I've had enough of you. I will throw you out if you don't leave right now.
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead and throw me out.
What's happening out there?
I heard you when you insinuated that Anita has been going out of this house. When did Anita ever step out of this house? You think you're more intelligent, huh?
You came here to create havoc.
Hey!
I know. I will not let you harm anyone in this house. If anyone needs to leave, it is you. In fact, why are you even here?
You not stay in this house. Go and find your own husband and a home. You not stay here. Hey! Go back. Don't touch her. Witch.
Mom, what's going on?
Don't let her deceive you with those fake tears.
Mom, what are you doing?
She was telling Zach that you've not been staying in the house.
I never did any such thing. You can ask your husband. You can ask him. He wanted to know if anyone comes to visit you and then where you go. And I told him that apart from when you go to Valerie, you hardly even step out.
Hey.
I don't know what this woman wants from me.
Don't let her deceive you with that act. I'm not a child. I know when somebody is being manipulative.
He wanted to know what and why.
I questioned her. Stop victimizing her. If you have a problem, come to me and stop attacking the poor girl.
She's not a poor girl. Zach.
Mom, please. Stop attacking her. She didn't take the picture. And she didn't put it online with a tag on it, love.
So this is what all this is about?
Zach,
Mom,
whatever it is.
Mom, please. Please stay out of this. You have no idea what is going on. So please, I beg you, stay out of this. And stop defending the indefensible.
I told you the truth, Zach. But you'd even have little confidence in me. I have no idea of who took the photos. That's my phone right there. Go through it. Check photos, messages. Just go through it. I don't understand either. I don't. But...
Hello?
Val, go on my Facebook page. You see a photo of...
The photo? I've seen it.
You have? And you'd even mentioned anything.
I only found out yesterday. Actually, Zach even showed it to me.
And?
And what?
And what happened?
What could have happened? I told him I didn't know the guy. The nurse and I met the guy going into your room before we left. I found the flowers. I went back. I looked for the guy everywhere. I couldn't find him.
Val, I need to find this person.
What's going on?
Zach has been unbearable since yesterday. He's grumpy. He wouldn't even talk to me. My house is on fire just because of this photo. I need to find this person and ask him where he knows me from.
How do you do that?
I don't know. But I can't live like this.
Anita, are you crying?
No.
You know this is not good for you.
How do you expect me to contain all this? You should be here to see what this photo is doing to my family.
You know this will all end. Zach will come around, please.
Val, what if he doesn't?
What can I do? I didn't see the guy. Zach didn't see the guy. Neither of us did. I actually went back on Facebook. I saw the picture he posted. It looks like he doesn't even exist. I think someone is just playing a sick joke on you. I don't want you to fall for it, please.
What do you suggest I do?
It's still early in the morning. Just go back to bed. I'll see you later in the day, okay?
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Who's this?
What are you doing sneaking up on me like this?
You're supposed to be in bed. It is not good for you to be up and roaming.
Like you care.
What would you have done if you were in my shoes? Tell me.
I would trust you. And even if I had no logical explanation, I would still believe you.
You're sure about that?
You know what? I wouldn't make your temporary madness put my baby at risk. Go on. You can rave all you can.
Stop behaving like a little boy. Where from this nasty attitude of yours? Ah?
Mom.
Oh, let me finish. That girl has been nothing but a perfect wife for you. And now she's trying to have your baby. She just returned from the hospital, for Christ's sake. The least you could do is to wait after she's calmed down and settled enough for you to get her into this matter. Ah!
You don't even know what you're talking about.
Those stupid pictures. Stop behaving like a boy. I raised you better than this.
I'm sorry. Just that
I have never cheated on you. And I didn't cheat on you. I swear on the life of our baby.
take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, go to my sissy. Hey, your brow, quaint to a name, be baby.